Welcome to my beginner lesson on pastels. We're going to do an eye, and I have some pastels, just a few, and I have my pencil for drawing. I also have a blending stick, some paper towel for blending as well, some masking tape, a pair of scissors. So let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're just going to draw the eye, and I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm just going to kind of draw in a circular motion until I kind of get the circle I like. Okay, there we go. I'm going to draw the top of the eyelid, and I'm going to kind of cut off the top of the circle. Nobody has, when you look at somebody's eye, you don't see the top and the bottom of their iris that's cut off by their eyelids. And I'm going to put in the tear duct as well, and where the pupil is going to go. Once again, just drawing that circle, and then I'm going to put where the highlight is going to go in the pupil. I'm going to take some tape now and tear off just a little piece of masking tape. What I'm going to do is cut out a little circle for the highlight and use it to mask that white area. So the white of my paper is going to be the brightest and whitest area, so I'm going to make sure that I mask that by cutting out this little circle and put it on where I want that highlight. Then I don't have to worry about trying to color carefully with that. I'm going to just move it over a little bit there. There, that's good. Alright, so now I have two colors. I have my base color and also my tone, so my base color is the lighter green, and I'm going to color that in, and then my tone is the darker green. So just quickly color that in, filling that all in. I'm going to take some paper towel. I like using paper towel because I can always get a clean piece of paper towel, and I'm just going to rub that all in real nice. If there's any areas that I miss, I can come back in with the pastel and color in that area. So here, like over on the right side here, and a little bit over on the left and at the bottom. I'm just going to rub that in with that paper towel, and see, and I can always have that nice clean paper towel. Not worried about the pencil lines, they're going to get covered up. Now I'm going to bring in that darker tone of green to kind of give it the 3D effect. And so I'm going to use that green to sort of outline the circle, or the iris of the eye, and use my paper towel again and just blend that all in. So it just blends nicely into the lighter base color of green. And missed a little area, so I'm just going to do that again with my pastel and paper towel. Blend that in some more. Alright, once I have that done, then I can use my tone. So white is tone and black is shade. And so I'm just going to shade in a little bit along the side to give it more of a 3D effect. So now I'm going to use my blending stick because it's kind of a tight area, and just blend that in and blend it into the green there, and just kind of I like using sort of circular motions and blend that all nice in. Then I'm going to use that pastel to put in some dark lines, sort of be part of the iris. Just a little spot there. Now I'm going to use the blending stick again and just blend all that in, making it sort of nice and soft and not a hard line. And then I'm going to put in the pupil, once again with that black area, and then notice I'm just coloring in right over top of that masking tape. I'll use the blending stick to kind of fill that all in. Need a little bit more. Blend. And now I can that all done, so now I can take here I'm going to use these pair of scissors and peel off that little masking tape, and it should reveal that highlight that I want in the pupil of the eye. Just kind of gives it that sparkle. I'll use my eraser to clean it up. Oh, my eraser was a little bit dirty. Here, clean off my eraser and do it again. There you go. That cleans it up real nice. Okay, so it's the same process. Basically, for the skin color, I'm going to take the light tone of skin color in my right there, and the darker tone of brown. And by limiting my palette with those two colors, I can get a nice sort of shade, skin tone shade in there. So I'm going to color all this area in with the lighter base color. And keep that color on top there. Really trying to fill that in. And I'm going to take my new paper towel. That's why I like paper towel instead of my finger, because my finger could get all dirty with the green and smudge in there. So use this new paper towel and blend all that in. Oh, I missed a few areas, so I'm going to use the pastel to go back in a little bit, blend some more. Okay, and then I'm going to use that brown as the darker tone and kind of put in some shadows underneath the eye into the skin color above the eye. There's always sort of the line above the eye where the eyelid meets. There's a fold of an eyelid and kind of beside the nose there and out on the side of the eye. I'm going to blend all that in. I'm going to do it again with that pastel and blending, just keeping the blend in to the darker tone into the lighter tone. Then I'll take my black and put in some of the dark shadows in where the eye meets the skin and in the fold of the eyelid there. And using that blending stick, because I'm in that tighter area, I'm just going to blend all that in. Then I'll put in some eyelashes and just some quick lines curved so that they kind of suggest an eyelash. Curving out on one side and up the other, and curving towards the inside. Blend all that in with the blending stick. A little bit of shadow in the eye to give it the 3D effect. Okay. And then I need to I want to put some more tone into that tear duct area. Just keep blending with that blending stick. Blend it all in nice. Alright, so now I'm kind of ready to do the eyebrow. I'm going to use that brown as the eyebrow color, the base coat color. I don't like that white area up top, so I'm going to just put some light skin tone. I'm going to blend first and use that black and the brown to be the eyebrow, and I'm going to blend in some of the light skin tone above the eyebrow there and just blend it in. There we go. And now back to the eyebrow and just putting in some more brown and some more black and blending them in with the blending stick. I'm trying to suggest the hair of it, so I'm kind of going up and down and then blending up a little bit. And there you go, there's your eye. Thank you for watching my first pastel lesson.